How to add temperature in Instagram story. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Instagram, then swipe right, and then simply capture a story. After that, you simply have to go to the sticker and then search for temperature. And over here, you have to select this one, and just like this, now you can add temperatures on Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.